Hi there! In this test, we will showcase the noise level of our industrial dehumidifier during operation. First, let's establish the emission noise level in the room without the dehumidifier running. The decibel reading is around 45 to 50 decibels. Next, we will measure the noise level when speaking at an average conversational volume near the dehumidifier. The noise level is around 65 to 75 decibels. Now, turn on the dehumidifier. We can observe that the noise level between around 75 to 80 decibels. After the basic test, I believe you have a clear understanding of the noise of industrial dehumidifiers. I'm Cloud from Hangzhou JoeAir. Thank you for watching.